Hi guys, today I will explain how to sell Solana in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open, make sure your app is up to date. And if it's not, then update it. The next thing is, if I scroll down, you will see multiple cryptos are added in my list. And here you can also find the option of Solana, which I want to sell. But if you did not find it, then how can you do it? So the first thing is, you have to add this from this Trust Wallet crypto. So for this, scroll down and tap on the option Manage Crypto. Once you will click on it, all the cryptos which are available in Trust Wallet will be here. And also you can add manually by clicking on this plus icon, which is on the right top. But Solana is already in the Trust Wallet list, so I need to click on the option search, and here I need to enter the name. Once I will enter the name on the top, you can get the desired crypto, and be careful while adding, because if you add the wrong one, then you cannot sell it. So once you find on the top, then enable that. Once you will enable, that will be in your list. So let's go back and check out our list. And here, you can see the Solana is here. Now, in order to sell, we need to click on Solana. And here, you can find multiple options. And on the right side, you can see the option to sell. In order to sell, click on it. Now, you have to enter the amount of Solana in which you want. Once you will enter, you can see I don't have any tokens of Solana, so that's where the sell option is disabled. But if you have, then this option will be enabled. And by clicking on the option Sell, your Solana will be sell within few minutes. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.